my dear children. Welcome to our science class. Today we discuss about 8th lesson, air. Today we discuss about air. Children, do you all see the air? No, we cannot see the air, but we feel it. Yes or no? Yes, we cannot see the air, but we feel it. All living beings need air. Yes or no? Yes, all living beings need air. We cannot live without air. Air is everywhere. Air is everywhere. Air fills your house, car, and even empty glass also. Okay? Air fills your house, car, and even a empty glass. Okay? We cannot see the air, but we feel it when it moves. Okay, children? When it moves, we can feel it, but we cannot see the air. Okay, children? I will say some example. What happened when we switch on the fan on summer days or hot days? What happened? Yes, we feel so cool and we can feel the air. Yes or no? When we switch on the fan on summer days or hot days, we feel so cool and we can feel the air. Moving air is called wind. Next, fast moving air is called a storm. Okay, children? Moving air is called wind. Fast moving air is called a storm. I will show the picture on this lesson. Okay, children? See, here fan, and here is a boy, and here is a boy. See, here the boy is running. The boy feeling the air. See, when we running, we feel the air. See, next this boy. Here is a fan. The fan is on. Here the boy is feeling the air. See, the boy is feeling the air, but the boy cannot see the air, but feeling. Okay, children? Like that, here, moving air is called wind. Okay, children? This boy running, this boy feeling, here is a fan, feeling the air. Next, fast moving air is called a storm. See, here is a tree. Fast moving air. See, this tree is broken. Fast moving air is called a storm. Okay, children? See, textbook. Are you understand this topic? Okay. Next, air takes space. Okay, children? Air takes space. See, I draw some picture. This is a empty balloon. This is a empty balloon, and this is a filled with air. This balloon filled with air. This is a air pump. This is a air pump. Take an empty balloon, blow air into the balloon with the air pump. See, this is the air pump. You blow air into this balloon with air pump. This balloon becomes bigger and bigger. Okay, children? We blow air into this balloon with the air pump. This balloon becomes bigger and bigger. Next, when air is blown into the balloon become bigger. Okay, children? See, this is the empty balloon and this is a filled with air, this balloon. Now, I will show practical with balloon. Okay, children? This is a balloon. This is the empty balloon. Now, I fill the air into the balloon. See? Okay, the balloon becomes bigger and bigger. Okay, children? I fill the air into the balloon. See? Air takes space. Okay, children? Air takes space. I fill the air into the balloon. Now I leave the air. See? Now I leave the air. We cannot see air, but we feel it. But we feel the air, but we cannot see the air. Okay, children? Now balloon again. Empty balloon now. Now become empty balloon. I leave the air. So air takes space. Okay, children? If we have balloons in our homes, try it like this. Okay, children? Next, air makes things burn. Next topic, air makes things burn. Okay, children? See, this is a candle in open. This is the second one candle. This is the first candle. This is the second candle. Second candle closed with bell jar. Closed with, see, this is the bell jar. Closed with bell jar. Now, see, in this textbook, picture two candles filled with bell jar, and this is open. Take two candles, light them. Take two candles, light them. Keep them standing on a table. Keep them standing on a table. Keep a glass bottle upside down on one of them. After some time, you find the second candle is put out. The other candle keeps on burning. The air in the bottle is all used up to burn the second candle. Then it is put out. Yeah, okay? Then it is put out. Now I will show it practical. Okay, children? See, children, I take two candles. Candle 1, candle 2. Okay? And take two candles, light them. Light them. See, I closed the candle. I closed this candle with bell jar. Then watch what happened. Okay, children? See, I closed this candle with bell jar. See, put off. Why? There is no air. Here is a open. Here air. Here is no air on this candle. So the candle put off. See, again I light them this candle. Again I light them this candle. See, children. See, I close it again. This candle with bell jar. No air. See, again put off. See, this candle is burning. This candle is burning. This candle is no burn. Why? Here is no air on this bell jar. Next topic is air has weight. Air has weight. This is an experiment. See what? Take two balloons. Take two balloons of equal size and equal weight. Take a stick. Take a stick and tie an empty balloon to end of it. Take another balloon, fill it with air and tie it to the other end of the stick. Hold the stick and at the center and observe. The stick bends down towards the side of the balloon filled with air. See, this is the experiment picture. Now let's see. We see in a practical. Okay. See, children, I take one stick and two balloons of equal size and equal weight. I fill air, two balloons. I fill the air. I tied both balloons end of the stick. Now I blast one balloon. Let's see what happened. See, this balloon bends down. This balloon bends down. Why? This balloon has air. In this experiment, we prove air has weight. Okay, children? In this experiment, we prove air has weight. See, this balloon bends down. Okay, children? We prove air has weight. next topic is plants need air. Plants need air. See, take two plants. Take two plants. Keep one plant in open air. See this plant in open air. Take one plant in open air. The another plant close it with jar. The another plant close it with jar. See this plant in open air. This plant in closed jar. Look at them next day. Look at them next day. In open air, the plant will be fresh and alive. The plant in open air will be a fresh and alive. The closed jar, the plant in closed jar droops down as it no air. Why? There is no air. So, droops down. This plant in open air will be fresh and alive. The plants fresh and alive. It dies within a short period. It dies within a short period. Okay, children. So, air is very important. Air is very important. Okay, children. I wish you all understand the air lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.